ni kini dashe Meghalaya bagi bidang sobai pi baro syakni ketup kubor minta kejan miet. Syuaban pas ki kubor ke bebenai pechwaya ki mat pekongsan. Daga komiti tahu ke sorkar jelaban kemi ia ke jing ke nongnya turis taksi. Ya kenduk ke kenhun ke KHADC ya ulat ke jelaya keren halor nyau teli kibel besak teng. Ya ro USP ke East KHASI Hills ya ke Anti-narcotics task force halor ke jing telakam ya ki kam kaya drop. Penkrek ke sorkar pedeng banwan rai ke Constitution 125th Amendment Bill arhajar kaknah ke dor bartlang. Bad kermen scam unong yelam ke NPP urakam esang mahalor ke election shiteng samoy ha Gambegre pedeng ke jengkersan ke patba. Ki kubor ki babnia. Ka sorkar jela kelapatha yu director katnat kam jungok kai perthai bantau ya ke komiti ke ban kentup ekonomi kmat ne kitnat tray kam prepare kum kitnat kam jungok kai perthai katnat bakmi ya ka an katnat pulit ki board penyat ke jela lembat ki wei kitnat tray kam by don benta bakentup ikitu ki badon ke jingso khia kum ki kin hon nongnya tourist taxi. Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad ke sang mau la kedau bo la yok pedang ke shithi na ke kinhud ki nongnya tourist taxi. Ki pelapen sngau ki jingso khia joki bat dailing ba kan ni ke belai lam bantau ya ke komiti. Ka thong jong ke komiti ke long ban khmi bnia ya ke jinglong jingman ba menta ban lum jingtep na baro ki bedon benta bakentup na ki nongnya tourist taxi bat ki kinhun bat ban pinpiang ya ke kaipot ka babni.
And of course, there are a lot of issues that are there that they have mentioned. So we have, I've directed the Director of Tourism to form a small committee where we have members from the tourism, the law, police, district administration, and other departments concerned, and more importantly, the stakeholders themselves. To really come up with the full comprehensive analysis of what this entire sector and how the taxis are being impacted, what are the suggestions and solutions that we have in front of us, how many taxis are there, how many tourists are coming in. So we want to come out with a decision once we are able to really assess the situation in a detailed manner and give a fair chance to all the stakeholders to express their concerns about this issue.
Ka kinhun nakaliang ka KHASI Hills Autonomous District Council hine kasi kalai kindo ya ulat ke jella u Chandrasekhar H Vijay Shankar Raj Bhavan ya kini ke kinhun lalam kmat do Chief Executive Member ke KHADC iba penyat sing CM haringkat ke jingdan lang u Deputy CM ba pensngan NCM lam ki Court Executive Member habakrench kelapatai kubor hadirin ke jing kenduk ba ulat UCM ulaong baka jeng keren bat ulat ka kentup alor hinyau teli kibil besak teng ki baka council kala menjur na do usnem baladem ulai thu ru baka kenhun kala banjur ya ulat ba un ai no ka jeng menjur halor ki artli kibil bakongsan jong ka KHADC kata ke administration of Ilaka Amendment Bill arhajar arpulai bat ka KHASI Social Custom of Lineage Amendment Bill arhajar arpulai
Governor langsung thu bahai ni kabil Makanya kabil kadai syapang kajing tunkup bor lani kajing itu dakaan ya kajing terikam jong kiseng samla hapok kisnong bat kiseng kentai lani kiseng longkumi hapok kisnong.
Superintendent of Police ke East KHASI Hills uba Sylvester Nongtnger ula ajeng ro ke Anti-narcotics task force jong ke district halor ke jingle bha katnat bantek la kami ki kam khayu drok hapo ke district habakrench ki nong tho kubor uba Nongtnger ula ongru bakatnat kalayok kurup ya bon ba udrok bat ki jingdi penbuat hakini ki sansnem balalet hakaba la ujo ru ya bon teli ki mukot duma persya ki riu shimet ki bedon kti ke ban khayu drok halor ke jingnang jelai ki kambai dei ba udrok hapo ke district USP ula banjur bakanlong ke babakla ban ong baki pulit kim shimla le AA nakaliang ke jongki
ke district kalong ke bahas sampo arli ki cases but kumba kandai puarnut ni la yo ken kini kila produce la passport code then house name arjara po ka case lene ka detection ka here that di house name arjara po ni register as appropriately dan police department way ni la ban rading kong ye kini sne jong ka cross trend way kini de ka issue jong ka society punya biat reglang bar koi ki kishnong kita ki civil society ki sinju promotion ki bar koi ki kat ni ram ne po no shlong kampung po shlong city
Ka Sarkar Pedeng kelala banwan ra ka Constitution 125th Amendment Bill Arhajar Khat Khandai ka dorbar tlang jong hing dorbar Parliament ka bansalong ha uno pra. Ka Constitution 125th Amendment Bill Arhajar Khat Khandai ka thmu ban ko bor sho ye ki Autonomous Council ha kalyang ka pisa tingka bat rukom trekam hapo ka khrn ban rio jong ka riti senshar kari. Habakrench kinong to kubor hine gasngi Chief Executive Member ke KHADC uba penyat sing CM ulai thu ba ka kenhun jo ka council dangshan kalai kendo ya unong ai but ka tanat kampo yang ka Sarkar Pedeng u AK Mishra ha Delhi ban penpau ya ki jing pensngo ba jing ai jing mut jo ka council halor ka tege jing terwa ban wanra jing kala
ya ka dorkas ne ka memorandum na baro shpotli ki Autonomous Council hapo North East haka arpsan terik u Julai ya u menteri kampo ye Amit Shah de halor kata nakaliang ka Home Ministry kala constitute ya ka committee ka ban khli da u Nitin Anand Rai pada Union Minister of State yang ka Home ban long ku chairman de dangshan milala ban ya kendo bat milala ban ya slok ba habide ban keren sani ba habide kenika amendment
Unong yalam ke NPP berbedairu Menteri Sarkar Jela rakam esang mau lapan pau ke jengkat men scam ya kaseng ke bedai ke election shiteng samoy ha Gambegre namar ke jengklan ke jengker shan nakaliang kipat ba. Ula banjur bikinong tap vote ki kamno shikinong mi khamat na kaseng kaliang senshar namar bakinget bak kamsuk ha kaliang ki project kampenroy ku school ki surok bat hospital. Usang mau lakdauru bakaseng ka banya kun persya ke NPP ke election shiteng samoy kandai ka Trinamool Congress watla ula kren shai bayamenta ke NPP ka kamlong hakmat haba pai sha kan ke jingya kun
I have seen as people support and it looks like I think maybe looks like it's a TMC maybe one of the closest maybe close contest with NPP looks like I have seen the support and turn of the peoples for the campaign so it looks the NPP's favor is going very, very high.
U MP ka Raja Sabha na po ka Jela u Dr. WR Kharlukhi ula kerpat u Menteri Rangba ka Jela u Conrad ke sangma ban ya chakmat bat ka Independent Judicial Inquiry lor ke jengkeno bempiang hapo Meghalaya Public Service Commission. Kajeng kerpat jong u kelawan hadin kajeng penskau na kaliang ka KHASI Students Union halor kajeng keno bakadon kajeng sya liang bat jing bamsap haba pai sya kajeng thungkam hapo ka MPSC.
Your opinion that there are no irregularities happening.
So I have written a letter to the Chief Minister so that he will go for an independent inquiry, which means it will be judicial inquiry. And I was just requesting them if they could within a month, or of course maybe they'll take 2-3 months, I don't know, that there is a Supreme Court ruling in which 87.5 is the written, 12.5 is the personal. And not only that, you know why this ruling comes? It comes because there were irregularities in the Assam Public Service Commission. Until date, the chairman of the Assam Public Service Commission is in jail.
Kidukot ka Shiromani Gurdwara Prabandhak Committee na Amritsar hinin kasi gilawan benekdo yu Chief Secretary Donald Phillips Watlang banekran halor ka jing thmu ban penkerya ye ki lai spa sapu artli ki longi na themyo mau long ringkat kidukot ka Harijan Panchayat Committee belapan long Hamen Secretariat. Habe keren bat kilap thai khubor u convener ka Save Shillong Sikh Ujak Mohan Singh u belasan ran lang ya ka kenhon SGPC ulong bakim shimlawan hangni ban penklumar shnong Hindre ulaong baka jingwan jungki kalong banyarap ya ke Sarkar ha ka ban penbet iki jing ha ke rukom ka bajai jai bat ka bayat bet yai renti
Land is Punjab. Their relatives, their families, their lands are in Punjab. So if a Sikh anywhere in the world is hurt in any manner, it hurts us. And it is to express our hurt that we come and express solidarity with them. We are not here to create any trouble. We are here to help the government to resolve the problem in an amicable and proper manner.
Menteri Ketenaga Puli Putih rakam sang maula ong baka sorkar jela kalaptha ya baro ki skul hakeleng ke jela baka jing shong shngan kalong ke bakongsan ula ong ru babu ni ki skul boss kila don ke tracking system la ban ke ru baka Ministry of Education kala kentu ya baro ki jela ba ki Union Territory bakin pentre kam ya ke guidelines on school safety and security 2021 bakin penjanai ya kerukom ai jingya da ya ki kena skul haki jaka pule da kabayai ringkat pak Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act kini ki jing pthak ki thmu bakin wan ra ke jingkit klie na ka benta ki board penyai skul hakeleng ki skul sarkar ki skul bayarap da ka sarkar par ki skul shimen.
Most of the school buses has a tracking system, like a GPS system. We know what time is school students coming up. But of course, there's some exceptional cases will happen. That which is very unfortunate, and so this should not happen also. But I will encourage every management, principal, every elders, right? Be it the parents. Our priority of our children is very, very important.
Hapedeng ke jingshit kerang ke sengi mentah. Menteri Ketenaga Puli Putih rakam sang mau lapan pau bagi board district bagi nong penyat skul bakin shim hi ya karai ban penbet ya ke port long skul kat kum ki jengdan kam jong ke jaka. Ula benrap syuk bagi sorkar jela kam shim 48 mi kan nong ke jeng petha ban penkelaya ke port long skul. Usang mau lapan syairu ba don kinu ki kendon nakaliang Ketenaga Puli Putih hindrei ke aila di skul haki jaka ki bamat dia ke jengdeng shop kamariang kum ke eryong ni ke jengshit kerang bekin shim hi ya karai klam da up ya ki jeng ptha jong ke sorkar.
Right? If there is a heat wave, don't wait for the government to decide. Right? They should decide by themselves. I think sometimes I would advise our instruct all the institutions on a need basis. Let them sometime decide, right, for the interests of our children's interests of our schools, interests of our students, right.
Halor kapang breaking rabies boundaries. Ko office jong district veterinary haringkat ke jing trailang but ke medical team jong district medical and health officer ke Ripoi district lapan long ya ke program ai jing hikai Hasin Paul Higher Secondary School hanong po ban raki ke World Rabies Week ke belas dang naduk ke arpulai terik haduk ke apu pra terik unai lur. Hakani ke program i Dr. F. Nongdhar i belami khmat na ke Meghalaya Veterinary Services Association Ripoi District Unit but i Dr. Benjamin C.H. Momin i Medical Officer jongka DMHO. Kila ai jeng hikai kumno banyada na ke jeng sapriang jongka jeng pang rabies ke jeng pang kabama ke baya bit ling ba ke jeng syadat hakimrat. Kila banjur ya ke jeng don kam ban yo ya ke jeng sumar ha ke por babiang ba ke jeng ai inject banyada ya ki jeng ribat kibrio. Ka District Legal Services Authority ka Ripoi District mentagasi kelapan long ya ke program ajeng hikai ke belai kerteng Opening Doors for Education to Children or Campaign for School Dropouts. Ha Kensir UP School kepadon ha jirang C&RD Block kebalapan laban ajeng pensyai halor ka Right to Free and Compulsory Education Act arhajar kendai. Ka jingtmu jong kini ke program kalong ban pensu thu i kinong shong shnong kam tam ki kena school. Kibla sangi no ya ke jeng puli syapang ki hok bedai bat ka Puli Putih jongki. Ka airu ya ki jeng tip syapang ki skim beper ki ba jeng kershan ki kena puli. Ha kini ke program la kentup ru ya ki jeng kren halor ka Child Labour Prohibition Act, POCSO Act bat kiwe. Kinong shong shunong jong karam prize in RT block ka West KHASI Hills District ilamat i kajing nakadaw kajing bomdon block development officer ubentre pura hakini ki license beladep kani kajing long jingman kalak tajur ye kinong shong shunong namar kajing duna kinong tre ha ka office BDO kaseng HYC Rambrai Circle Kelai kendu ia Additional Deputy Commissioner ke West KHASI Hills District uba HK Thaba. Bani kren halor ki jing ki nong snong ke kendu namar ke jing duna nong tre ke office UBDO.
But dal rep kon tarbu unsa pha no e ki nong tre po blok jungi ba ki kam ba nagriang jong I le sim khia ya kan kam ba ki kam jungi kin kham sup ba ki nong ba ya be je te ba ya ki ba ba jong dong khathai pro awai
Minta pat nge pe ke jing long jaman ke sum dang hanong ba shalong ke jing kreat ke long khan riu point degree Celsius ba ke jing shit ke long arpo point riu degree Celsius ke jing ngem gau hau ke long khandai pun riu na ke shi spark por minsta bat khandai pusa na ke shi spark por janmi ke jing hap slap ke long saw point 9 mm ke la bandon ke jing hap slap ke jing ti ru perthat hagi babun ki jaka ti parlok ke tung lapoi sak buku jang thup ke bor jing minta ke janmi hadu mini sham yang bat phila shai ke sngi khuble phi baro
IR Foundation Day celebrations in New Delhi, Dhankar said that in the past, Bharat had scientific knowledge and made the world proud. He said recognition for the scientific community has gone up in the last few